Hello everyone, welcome once again to another Tableau related tutorial by Colorstack team of Slidescope. In this part, we are learning about creating countries happiness score wise map chart here, and you can see we have filters here, and if you want to see top 10 data, top 20 data, let's say we unselect all of them and we select 15, 13, 12, 11, 10. So you will see we can create data where we can show top 10 countries like this, and on the basis of our selection we will be able to see countries. So how to create a chart like this where we can show country name, their details, etc. Everything we will be able to learn in this tutorial, and let's get started with this simple tutorial for beginners. So the data set that we are going to use in this project is this data set called happiest countries in the world 2024, and it is global rankings of the happiest countries based on well-being indicators. And you can see the original data set link and attribution, everything is given here. And from here we can download the CSV file. The CSV file kind of looks like this, where we have the country name, the happiest country ranking, and they, here they have given some kind of score. This is rating. So now we will try to analyze this data. To analyze the data, we will open Tableau Public. In my case, I am using Tableau Public 2021 edition. Obviously, you must be having a different edition than this. And the file is in CSV file. So in Tableau, we will use the text connector. When we'll click on text connector, it will bring us the CSV file, and we will simply load the CSV file here. And you can see the most important thing to see here would be to see if this connector is able to read this data as a geographical value, which it is doing, and others it is reading as measure. This column is not needed actually. I don't know why it's coming. So because this is unwanted column, so we will simply exclude this column from here. So we'll hide this column, okay, or we yeah, now it is hidden. So actually we by mistake this column was hidden. We have to hide this one. Yeah, now it's okay. And now we'll go to our sheet, and in the sheet you can see we have the happiest country report ranking, and we have the happiest country report score. So we will simply rename it to ranking, and we will simply rename it to score. And here we don't need this, so we'll hide this. I don't know why it was not hiding from there. Now in order to create a map chart from this data, obviously we can create different type of visuals here. So if you will drag country in column and ranking and score here, so it will show you data like this, because in rows we have created two tables, okay. And obviously what we can do, the other thing that we can do, we have ranking here, and score we can drag to the other axis, okay. And we can say that sum of ranking we want to show in bar chart, and the score we want to show in a line chart. So this way you can show that. This is one way. Now what we are going to do, we will not use ranking right now, and we will only use country and sum of score here, because for every country there will be one score. We will choose the field map here, and in the field map you will see all the data. So this is index, and we'll use this simple indicator to drag it. Here you can see country with lowest ranking are in lighter shades of blue, and higher ranking are in darker shades of blue. And what we can do here, we can go to color, edit color, and automatically it is only blue color. We can select red, green, diverging. So if you will do red, green, diverging, so countries with lower rankings will have the red color, countries with higher rankings will have the green color, and countries falling on the midway point will have a lighter shade. You can apply and you can see the index here. And this is how, again, whatever is given is as per this data. And now let's say we want to show the score on label, so we can show a score here. If you want to show ranking on the label, you can show ranking like this. Okay, and this is one way of displaying the data. We can make a duplicate of this because I want to let you know other things. So here we will rename it as countries by happiness score. Here we have the sheet 2, and in sheet 2 what we can do, we can bring the ranking to a filter. We will use all values. Okay, and the values are from 1 to 143. We'll apply and we'll say we'll show this filter. So in this filter we can do one more thing. We edit the filter and we can say show at most 20, let's say. Okay, and here you will see 20. So from here you will see values from 1 to 20, and you can see here it is following the same color pattern. So this time what we can do, we can use the same color. Let's say we use only the green color, so you will see the darker shades, like for example Finland with rank 1 has 7.74. Now what next we have to do, let's say this ranking is there. What I'm going to do, I will just duplicate this column and say, convert the duplicate to discrete. Currently it is being shown as dimension. I'll convert it to dimension. Now when we will convert it to dimension, we can use it as a filter. Okay, here you will see we have from 1 to 10. So we will select only top 10 here. I'm just giving you different things that we can do here, and after doing top 10 we can apply and okay. This way we can see top 10 countries here, and the country name is something that we can display on label, and their ranking is also we can display on label. And then instead of this filter we will remove this filter. We will use the filter that we have converted as a dimension, and we'll show filter. Okay, here you can see we have top 10 values. Obviously it is going to show all values. So here, like, let's say we edit the filter. Now if we unselect all of them and we say at number 10 we have Australia, at number 9 we have Switzerland, at 8 we have Luxembourg, at 7 Norway, 6 we have Netherlands, 5 we have Israel, 4 countries at 4 looks like Sweden, at 3 we have Iceland, at 2 we have Denmark, and at 1 we have Finland as per this data. So this is how you can create a simple top 10 counter here. So this is a very simple tutorial explaining you how to create map charts on the basis of the data that we have, and this tutorial is for beginners to understand how to do all of this. If you like this video in Tableau, please subscribe to our channel and see other Tableau related tutorials also. We have a list of such tutorials. It will help you in understanding basic to advanced topics.